So we need some gas. Yeah. You don't want to run out of gas during this weather. You do not want to run out of gas. Yeah, it looks like we got 4 inches of snow so far. Since 3 p.m. for 8 hours, we got 4 inches. Any Colorado people in the house? I'm currently in Denver, Colorado. Cheers to late snow, fam. I said I was gonna take a break from live streaming, but no, today's a little bit different. You don't get this every day, of course, you know. Yeah, by the way, I just released an Amazon video. I know it's not related to my niche, but you know, I'm just trying out some few new things, you know. It was unboxing of the ring light and the pillows. I think the pillows were a good value, 2 for $35. Good value. The ring light is a must-have if you're a content creator or streamer, live streamer, TikTok or whatever. It's good at Watto, it's good True Freeman, Krista, and everybody else. Sorry, I can't get to the comments. I'm driving. I'll get to it when I get to a safe place. Believe it or not, March is supposed to be Denver's snowiest month. Yeah, we get the most snow in March. Not December, not January. March we get the most snow, but not this year. This year I think we got the most snow in December or something. No, not even December. We didn't get that much snow this year. Yeah, put it that way. They're saving the best for last. Yeah, May what? May 20th. Crazy, man. So when the snow, hopefully the customer will be generous. You know, I'm just starting out my day. Yeah, I have to run a bunch of errands in the morning with my wife, so just starting my day. First thing first, we need some gas in the tank. Gas is $4 for regular. Diesel, it's $5.36. Yeah, you're gonna be screwed if you're driving diesel right now, fam. Like a Mercedes Sprinter or what? Volkswagen Jetta TDI or something that runs on diesel. Or like one of those old Mercedes. Some Mercedes run on diesel. All right. Crazy, huh? I didn't put my boots away. My boots was still on the shoe rack. It's 32 degrees. It's actually not cold when it's snowing. It's colder when it stops snowing, and it's not that dangerous to drive during the snow. It's more dangerous after it snows, you know, like when the roads become icy with all the black ice on the highway. Yeah, that's the driver's worst nightmare, black ice. All right, let me go get some gas and some cigarettes. That's all we need. Yeah. Oh, pump some gas first. Woo. All right, fam. Let me highlight this part, huh? This is gonna be good. Let me highlight.